Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a very important question. When in history has it ever been possible to make an unlimited amount of money from literally nothing? And when I say nothing, I quite literally mean nothing. No paid ads, no existing audience, no money, no experience, literally nothing. Never, right? This opportunity has never existed. That is until now. Because right now, we have the opportunity called Whop Content Rewards. In this video, I'm going to thoroughly explain Whop Content Rewards to you guys and tell you how you can make your first $100 easily with Whop. So first of all, what are Whop Content Rewards? Well, basically what these allow you to do is get paid for the views that you generate for clipping other people's content. So it's extremely simple. All you have to do is make a little edit or a quick clip of one of the celebrities that have these Whop Content Rewards open. And I'm sure you've definitely seen some of these before when you're scrolling through Instagram or TikTok. If you ever see a clip of a famous person, like let's just say I Show Speed or something like that, it's most likely one of his clippers that are clipping viral content and getting paid for the views that they generate on that video. And the best part about this is that, like I said, you literally need nothing except for a brand new account, which is literally free. Rather than building up an account, getting monetized, and going through all of these hurdles, you can start a brand new account, start posting clips, and then get paid immediately without meeting any requirements. And that is why I personally believe that this may even be a greater opportunity than TikTok Shop affiliate, and that is saying something. Let me actually break down my belief here so that you guys can truly understand it. So with TikTok Shop affiliate, first of all, you need at least 5,000 followers, which can be pretty hard to get on TikTok. Or of course, you can just buy a TikTok account that is already registered to be an affiliate. That costs money, so immediately Whop Content Rewards is above that. And then also with TikTok Shop affiliate, the only way for you to make money is when you actually sell a product and get the small percentage of that product's revenue. So literally you could get 1 million views on one of your videos, but if you don't sell a product, you're not going to make any money, which sure, that's unlikely, but it could happen. With Whop Content Rewards, however, if you pull in 1 million views, you're going to be making thousands of dollars. So now let's compare TikTok Shop affiliate with Whop Content Rewards. So with Whop Content Rewards, you can get started with literally a brand new account, which is already better than TikTok Shop affiliate. Also, you can get paid immediately. All you have to do is post some clips, and if they get views, you're already getting paid. With Whop Content Rewards, it's guaranteed to get paid, but with TikTok Shop, if you don't get sales, you don't get paid. So now, with that being said, guys, now that you understand Whop Content Rewards, I'm going to fully break down a comprehensive review of how you can get started immediately and start making money. The first thing you're going to want to do is hop into Whop. You're going to do this for free just by downloading the app. And then you're just going to simply go over to the discovery page down here and then scroll down to content rewards. And as you can see, as I'm scrolling through right here, you can see that these creators are literally paying $2, $3. I can see a $5 CPM right there. For 1,000 views, you're going to get $5 for that. That is literally insane, guys, because that is sometimes better than the CPM that you can get from YouTube Shorts or especially TikTok as well. You're essentially hopping onto a brand new account, posting videos, and getting paid $2 to $5 CPMs without even getting monetized from the platform. And once you find one that you like, you can simply click on it and look at the requirements that you need to meet to get paid. Now, guys, these requirements are not large requirements at all. Like, some of them just require you to get a minimum of 500 views, and then most of them require your account to be set up in a way that they want it to be. You can literally do this for free, though, just by putting the necessary links that they want in your bio and all the profile pictures that they want and stuff like that. So it's super simple, guys. All you do is follow the list of requirements that they have, and if you meet them, you submit the video, they approve, and you get paid. Guys, if you want to see me do like a 1-week challenge of this, make sure to comment down below because I will definitely do it if you guys want to see that. And another thing to keep in mind, guys, is that this is severely benefiting the creator as well. This allows them to literally get an abundance of clippers creating viral content for them. And this helps them by promoting their brand or promoting their YouTube channel, which gains them followers and more money as well. So this is truly a win-win situation for the creator and the clipper. I mean, where else are you going to be able to generate this substantial amount of views for this little amount of money? If you were to try ads, the CPM would be like $10 to $25. And then hiring like an affiliate or a clipper would be multiple hundreds or even thousands a month. And that's just for one clipper. So for them to create a campaign like this on Whop, they're getting a ton of views and it's a win-win situation. That being said, guys, that is how you can start printing a ton of money on Whop for completely free. Like I said, you don't need any experience, no upfront capital, no money, no paid ads, and not even an existing audience. You just need to create a brand new account. With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. The background of this video is completely different than normal, and that's because I'm in North Carolina right now, and there's a vlog dropping on this channel soon. So you're not going to want to miss that vlog. It's going to be a banger. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit.